Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel Studyholic. So let's begin with our new topic today, that is cytoplasm and cell organelles. So what is cytoplasm? The region between nuclear membrane and plasma membrane is known as cytoplasm. As we have discussed about the plasma membrane in previous lectures, so you would be knowing what it is, and if you don't know, I have attached the video, you can check it out. So the cytoplasm is present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. The main difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells is that the cytoskeleton and membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells, whereas they are present in eukaryotic cells. So, if we talk about the organelles, I'll be discussing in detail about the organelles in the coming videos. So, let's have a discussion for now about cytoplasm. So, if we talk about the physiochemical nature of cytoplasm, so the cytoplasm composed of about 90% of water. So the water makes about 90% of cytoplasm. And in that water, there are all the fundamental um, elements, fundamental compositions are over there, and that contains makes about two types, that are small molecules and the large molecules. So, what are the small molecules of cytoplasm? They are salts, sugars, amino acids, fatty acids, nucleotides, vitamins, and dissolved gases. And the proteins make up the large molecules that are responsible for the colloidal nature of the cytoplasm. Now, let's move on to the basic definitions of related to the cytoplasms, that are cytosol. The inner portion of the cytoplasm is known as cytosol, whereas the peripheral portion of cytoplasm is known as cytogel. And if you see the streaming movements of cytoplasm, that movements are known as cyclosis. You can't see by the naked eye, but you can surely see them into some microscopes. So if we talk about the function of the cytosol and cytogel, the cytosol is basically responsible for some metabolic pathways, such as the protein synthesis and glycolysis. And the cytogel is responsible for storage of some useful compounds, and also it is used in various cellular activities and waste compounds which are eliminated from the cell time to time. So that was all about the lecture today. I will be discussing about the cell organelles in the coming lectures that are considered very important and that are gonna be fun as well because of the diagrams. So just have a look to the diagram of the cell, in which you can see cytoplasm and some organelles. I have drawn these all the organelles and cell myself. I know yet it would be not so easy to appreciate, but you can try to appreciate some of the organelles. They are Golgi bodies, mitochondrion, ribosomes, and much more I be discussing into the next lecture. So if you really got the concept, or if you like the video in any point, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next videos.
I guess I'm dead, never said, never